Proportional relationships worksheet, question 30. Graph the following equation. This is like example 8 in the notes. I am going to do this entire problem with you. So again, we're going to graph the following equation. Well, if you look at the equation, it's y equals mx plus b. Where the slope is in front of x. The slope is in front of x. So, what is the number in front of x? That number would be 2/3. So, my slope is 2/3. The y-intercept is the number that is added or subtracted on the end. That would happen to be -1. Now, 2/3 is a positive number, so that means I have a positive slope. Remember, positive slopes go upward, going left to right. So, for 2/3, I will go up 2, then to the right 3. It's always to the right, up 2, then to the right 3. But I'm going to start at -1 on the y-axis. Pause your video, get all of that written down. Okay, so I'm going to start at -1 on the y-axis. So this is my y-axis going up and down. -1 would be right down here. Put a point there. Okay, now from that point, I'm going to go up 2 and to the right 3. Up 2, because that's my slope, and then to the right 3. So I'm going to go up 1, 2, to the right 1, 2, 3. Put your point. So I went up 2 to the right 3. Do it again. From that point, go up 2 to the right 3. Again, from this point, I go up 1, 2, and then I go to the right 3 and put the point there. Now, I've gone up and to the right as far as I can. I've gone up and to the right as far as I can. So now I need to go the opposite direction. Well, the opposite of up would be to go down, and the opposite of to the right would be to the left. So in other words, I'm going to go back to my original point. Go back to that original point here in the middle. And now, instead of going up 2 and to the right, I'm going to go down 2 and to the left 3. I can't go down 2 anymore. If I did, I would be off the graph. So that's the last point I can graph. So now, use your straight edge to connect the points. Use your straight edge to connect the points. Okay, so notice how I extended it past the edge of the graph on both sides. Extend it past the edge of the graph on both sides. And then don't forget, the last thing would be to put the arrows on the end. Again, if you line up your straight edge and all the points are not on there, you did something wrong. Use your straight edge to draw your line. It'll be points off if it's a curvy line. Okay, so use your straight edge and put arrows at the end. And that is it for question 30. That's actually everything for the proportional relationships worksheet. If you have any questions on question 30, or if you have any questions on the worksheet at all, please do not hesitate to ask.